deal, guys. This is just a smoking deal. Can't describe it. Guys, big shout out to Joe, the 2 guy, for posting this first. He did have this first, so big credits to him. Go subscribe to his channel. Guys, buy one, get one free. Hack deal, however, glitch, however you want to say it. This is the inflator, Makita inflator, $99. You buy one, you get one free. So you add that to the cart, and then you're gonna look for which I will leave the link down below in the description section to both of these items. I'll leave the link to both of these so you guys will know which one it is. So it is the $279 combo kit, or not this one. No, not that one. Where is it at? This one. $279 combo kit is the hammer drill and the 4 amp hour batteries. So this is a really nice kit. So you're getting 2 batteries. All right, so you add that to the cart. If you go over to the cart, I already have it added, by the way. If you go over to the cart, it says it does qualify for buy one, get one free deal. I'm sorry. I think I flipped over the screen. Anyways, yeah, it does qualify for buy one, get one free. So it's one on what? I hate this site. Continue shopping. All right. So on this one, this is a 2-2 combo kit for 4 amp hour battery. So you guys do see you there. $279, no interest screen. Okay. Then what's the deal with these? Shoot. I think I'm gonna have to do it this way. So I do apologize for the screen flipping and flopping. This thing's not letting me do it. All right. So we're gonna go to the card again. This website is glitchy. All right. So do apologize again for switching it. So you got free, guys. This combo is free. Look at it. Isn't this crazy? $99. You can pick it up at the store. Obviously, pick it up at the store. It's cheaper. Yeah, guys, $108. Just a crazy deal. I'll leave the link down below in the description section of this video. Like I said, I do apologize for flipping and flopping the camera. That the website wouldn't let me do it one way. I'll leave the link to both of these. Big shout out to Joe, the 2 guy, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.